WTRF, and in our continuing series of reports on the fentanyl crisis, West Virginia consistently leads the nation in overdose deaths, and according to the latest data available, 85% are linked to fentanyl.
7 News reporter Annalise Murphy met with students at one local high school to learn more about a program that aims to inspire youth to live drug-free.
John Marshall High School's Drug-Free Club is full of teens who take pride in holding themselves accountable and being positive role models for others. The club has been around for many years, and recently the school also welcomed a statewide program called GameChanger. That initiative encourages young people to live healthy, drug-free lives and teaches students how to be leaders. Stephen Frazier, a junior at John Marshall High, says GameChanger allows him and other students to visit local elementary and middle schools to talk about the risks of substance abuse.
West Virginia has a really bad opioid crisis, and if we can prevent that starting off at a younger age, that way they know that drugs are bad, what they can do to your life and how they can affect you in a negative way.
Senior Tori Finley has been in the club since middle school and says it serves as an extra incentive to say no to drugs.
Most people don't want to their first time, but peer pressure and things like that, sometimes things happen. But with Drug-Free Club, you're randomly selected for drug testing and the results get sent to your parents and your doctor. So that gives you an additional way to say no.
All drug tests are kept private and only the parents and the doctor know the results. Beyond staying drug-free for herself, Finley also feels inspired to be an advocate for others because she wants to see a decline in opioid use and overdose deaths in the Mountain State.
It's just something that really hits close to home being from here. It's such a great state, and it hurts my heart that we have to suffer from that. So I think with this new generation coming up, being able to get more kids involved in Drug-Free Club and steer them away from drugs at a younger age, that will help our overall overdose rates go down in the future.
Sadie Willis, a sophomore, feels her peers and younger kids are more likely to listen to people around their age, making her role as a Drug-Free Club member even more important.
Students might not take it in as well just because, oh, they're older, they're not as young, they don't want to have as much fun. But from students your age, it can hit harder just because it's from someone your age, someone you can relate to. It's someone who's going through the same things as you, and I think that's really important.
John Marshall High School counselor and advisor Micah Ward says she sees firsthand the impact the club has on students.
I talk with kids and hear about their experiences and things they've gone through with a parent or an aunt or uncle. I just know how much just trauma and things that kids have gone through, and so giving them an opportunity to say, I'm going to choose differently. I'm going to, choose to live a life that's drug-free.
Perks of being a Drug-Free Club member go beyond using the leadership experience on a resume. Students get a monthly award, usually a gift card, to a local fast food restaurant.
It's just a reward showing you what you can have now to display what you can have in the future if you stay drug-free.
Reporting in Marshall County for 7 News, I'm Annalise Murphy, working for you.
And you can watch the special later tonight, The Next Generation Breaking Fentanyl's Grip. That'll air at 7 p.m. on WTRF ABC Ohio Valley. Coming up next, the United States